Alright, so guys, you guys are all wondering how the factory doors get put on a machine that didn't come with them. So, he's over there doing that side. This side's already done. So, your driver's side latch is going to look like that. Your passenger side latch will look just like that. But, there is a left latch and there is a right latch. And you need to make sure that you put the right latch on the right side. They are labeled. Then you're going to need one of these before you ever make it to that far. And what you got to do is you got to pull all these clips and pull this panel, which is really easy. Only take you a few minutes. And then you put this in there, which this is for the other side. So it's going to look like that. Okay, it's going to go on the inside of that fender, and then you'll put that on. Okay, and then the doors itself is real easy. You only need the doors and these hinges, and if you're buying used doors, they should have those hinges. Those hinges bolt on these two bolts. You do not have to remove this thing. Just pull those bolts and it'll spring up, slide your door in, and bolt it down snug, not all the way. And then make sure you can shut it. Look, I bet some of y'all's factory doors that came factory on your machine don't close like that or open like that. It's all in the adjustment. All in the adjustment. And then your plastic piece, which he's not fully done on this side yet. He has to get some screws because we bought these used and the screws were lost. But your panel just slides down in there once you get your door on. And then your black panel will go right on there. And some pins. You have to drill a hole here. And then this pin, you remove this pin, put it in there. So let's go over here and see what he's doing. And remember,
I'm busting the pin off because it wouldn't come out.
You're busting pins off. Them pins are a pain in the...
Yeah.
Hey, just so the audience knows, where do they get their parts?
R.N.G.
www.cfmotoUSAparts.com. Discount code Capital Redneck for anything over $50 and under $2,000. Make sure you check them guys out. They're awesome over there. Freaking awesome. Doing good things. So, did you bring home my clip puller? Get you guys one of these. They do help. They do help if you can get in there. Smack it. Smack it with your hand. Not the hammer. Jeez. It's just plastic. Good God. Oh. Yeah, they suck. They suck. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it. Yeah, they suck. That's why I use wire cutters. There you go. That works. So,
I still gotta get it off.
Hey, Ronnie. You could probably do it all just like this. Holy crap. You brought more mud home than the mud park has in a mud hole. Holy crap. Ronnie's got a mess to clean up in my garage. There you go. You can get to it from here. So this piece, let's see. This piece, hold on. It goes in there. It fits right in there. Just like that. So, very, very, very easy to install these doors. The hardest part is those stupid pins. What are you doing now? Oh, yes. And one thing we have noticed, because we have installed quite a few of these doors on some machines, and we always seem to have to drill out these holes just a little bit to make them line up with the attachment. So, not a big deal. Right, Ronnie? Yep. But there we go, guys. That's how you do a door install. Easy, gravy. I'd like to do a detailed video, but honestly, most people's not like Ronnie, and you know, they don't just show up all the time and not want to work. And no, just kidding. Ronnie does a good job over here. So, all right, guys, peace out.